Okay, here we go. This is the best way to get out of strife if you are out on a ride, and you've only got one spare tube and you get another flat and you got no repair kit, okay, and you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, you need to get home and you don't want to walk. Or if you're in a race, you're only carrying maybe one spare tube again and you get another flat and you got no way of repairing it, because in a race especially, to carry the patches and the glue and all the rest of it, you're talking 10-15 minutes. You've got to wait for it to dry, then you've got to hope it takes and it doesn't peel the patch off, and nightmare. So I never carry a repair kit with me, waste of time. Only one spare tube, and this is what I do if the second tube gets a flat as well. Okay people, here we go. So we've got one flat tyre, no good. Okay, so first thing you do is, I'm going to do it slow this time to show you, but you can speed up, you can do a bit of practice, and you should do practice anyway. Okay, but this is a quick and easy way. Now don't forget, I've got no spare tube, this is it, and I've got no repair kit. Alright, so your valve, put it to the bottom. I always put it on my feet. I never let anything touch the ground, because if your tube touches the ground, you've got to clean it all off, you've got to mess around, it's a pain in the neck. So easiest thing to do is keep it up. So I always put it on my feet like this. The valve's down the bottom, get that one, get it close to a spoke, peel it back and hook him in. Right? Then you get the next one, as close to that one as you possibly can, just pull it back a bit and pull it down. Do that about 3 times. This is the easiest, quickest way. There you go, 3 times. And you get this one again, and you just whiz it round. Right, so that's it done. Both in the mouth. Get your valve. I'll put them in my pocket for now, but generally I'll put them in my mouth. So you get your valve, you pull it out, there's your tube. Done. Okay, so now we've got the hole. Right, so I can see it there. Okay, that's it there. Alright, so pop that bit over your head. I know the hole is right there. I can see it now. Right, there's a nice big tear in it just there. Okay, so we hold the tube, stand up, you hold the tube and you get it on the hole. Get it so it's flat like this, and then you just tie a knot in it. Now I know some of you are thinking, this won't work. It will work. Right? And what you do is with the knot, you make sure the hole is there, it's poked out the top. It's quite a big knot, right? So you just work the knot up, just work it up to the top so you've got as much of the tube exposed as you can. Okay, so I want to make sure that that knot is as small as we can get it. Right, and when we put it back on, we're going to try and get that bit there to sit on the rim part. So it's going to be something like that, okay? So here we go, put it back in. So again, you get your valve in first. Alright, now forget about that part, go back round to the other side where the knot is, and try and put that in like so, okay, and then pull that bit of tyre over it. You'll get it where it will just sit in. And this does work, and you can ride the bike, no problem. Right, so now we're coming around to the valve side again, just feel him on. Obviously your tube is shorter now, so just get it like this, push the tube in, push it onto the rim there. Just hold it out of the way, and then just pull your tyre over. Right. So you can get it where you can just pull them over. Just need a strong grip. There you go. Pat it round, get your valve, push it up, pull it back down. Now that is your tyre on. Alright, just massage that lip down where the knot is. It's just there, you can feel it. Alright, so just massage that down a bit, make sure it's in. It's all in good. And then you just pump your tyre up. And it should pump up pretty good. So I'll just pop this there. And I want it back up to pressure. You want to stick 100 psi in it. And this will, because the canister will put 100 in. There. Done. Then you just do your valve up and job done. No bulge. Perfect. There we go. And you can ride that without any dramas at all. There's 100 psi in there, and that will well and truly get you home just with a simple knot in there. You just got to make sure the knot's small enough so as you keep pulling it through until it gets as small as you can get the knot, and then when you put it in place, all you do after that is just massage it into place, make sure the lip's down over you, under your rim, and pump her up. Job done. There you go, I hope that's been of some help to you. Saves you carrying repair kits, and then when you get home you can just pull that tube out, throw it in the bin, which is what I normally do, and put a new one in. There you go. Get any questions or comments, post them down below.